We could do some DIY shortcuts to achieve that professional salon quality look at home.
Fortunately, our friend and beauty expert Vicki Williams stopped by to share some of her top tricks and tips for looking glam without spending all that time and all that money at the salon.
You know, we don't always have the time to run to the salon, get your nails done, professional hair done. Sometimes we got to do it at home, but we want to look like we got it professionally done.
Yes, we want to fake it, babies.
Fake it,
Yes, all right.
But I think it's also like a really good time to lean into that because some of the products for hair and nails have become incredibly innovative, and it's really just like, I know you're obsessed with doing your own nails. I've become pretty much obsessed, not only because it saves me money, but with like coloring my own hair, styling my own hair. I can't afford to go to a blowout with a small child at home,
But we
right?
don't want to look crazy. So what is Colorsonic here got going for us?
Okay, this is L'Oreal's Colorsonic. This is probably the most innovative hair coloring tool to do at home that I've seen in a long time. Now, what's amazing about this is that if you're someone like me who has to get root touch-ups every like 3 weeks, what this does is it comes with a cartridge. The cartridges are about $29.99, and it also comes with this machine, okay? So the machine is like a one-time fee. You'd buy it. It's like $124. You take the machine, you turn it on, you pop the cartridge in, and you basically just brush your hair. If you can brush your hair, you can do your root touch-up. It mixes it with a 1-to-1 ratio. It's dynamic color. This thing has like 29 patents right now on it.
Oh, wow.
It's unbelievable. What I love about it too is the colors are really vibrant and they hit the whole spectrum. You don't have to worry about, did I leave it on too long or any of that? Did I get the back of my head? It's just a genius product. But I also love the fact that the colors don't have any of the parabens, don't have any silicone, so you really are getting that kind of advanced color put into the machine. But the best part about it is one cartridge can last up to 3 root touch-ups. At $29.99, that's like a no-brainer.
Because normally you have to throw that stuff away after you open the box.
Nope, you don't. You just leave it in there, and it automatically mixes the product to the perfect ratio. So quite possibly one of the most innovative products we've seen in a long time. Also really easy to use if you can brush your hair, right?
Very, very cool, yeah.
This has been all over my Instagram
Mine
feed.
too, everywhere.
I think we've all seen this. This is revair, and what this is it's not like a blow dryer. This is a reverse air hair dryer. So what this does, I'm going to turn it on for you really quickly just to show you the power of it. We're going to do that. You're going to make a setting here. You're going to turn this on, and what it's going to do is you're going to put your hair in here, okay? Now, how I want to describe this really and truly is just genius. Because if you have wavy or like curly or even coarse hair, you know how long it takes to blow that out at home, okay? But what's so incredible about this is it utilizes suction, and you can put up to 3 inches. You could, space your hair out to about 3 inches. Just go in there and leave it in there, sometimes up to 60 seconds. It doesn't damage the hair. What it does is it sucks it with air, and it actually pulls and stretches the hair. It's the fastest, healthiest, and like easiest way to dry and smooth your hair. I absolutely love it because it does work on all hair types, but it's really incredibly great for braids. If you have braids and you want to wash your braids, it's just really innovative. You can use it on your extensions, and you can even use it on wigs. It's just such a genius product. Love, love, love this. And like you said, you see it everywhere. But one of the best things I think about it is if you just go and you read the reviews, people are like, just buy it right now. They're just so excited. So I love the reviews. Everyone loves that. Great idea.
Okay, you talk about wigs.
Yeah. Don't even do your hair.
And wigs have come a long way, right? But these are really amazing. These are by Unice. And what's great about this product, this is the Magic Lace Wig. And what the biggest problem with wigs, with lace wigs, is that they actually, what you have to do is you have to replace them quite often because the lace becomes damaged, right? So what I want to show you is this is actually incredible because this is basically a put on and go closure wig, okay? Now I've already kind of said it, this comes in 2 pieces. Okay, so the first piece is going to be the wig base. That's going to be this right here. I'm going to
that helps with the sizing and different size heads.
This is going to be your wig base, right? But instead of worrying about having to replace that all the time, if you just mess up the lace here, you can just replace the front portion.
Lace front.
Great. And then if you want to change up your style, say you want to have a little bit of blonde highlights through it. So let me show you. It goes right here. It's Velcro. It has 2 clips. Your lace goes right on there. You just Velcro it right back on. Check this out. You have these little clips, and then you have basically, sorry, I'm going to try to hold this. A whole new wig. But what's great about it too, you have your blonde highlights in there. You have everything. I love the lace there. I just love it because it's instantly, it actually extends each wig by about 3 to 6 months because that lacing is so perfect. The hair is gorgeous. I love it too. It's like a put on and go closure. But what I also found is that when I was trying these wigs on, I really did like their lace because it was already pre-plucked. So you didn't have to pull your own hair through it. Just beautiful product, beautiful hair.
Nice.
And I love the fact that you have the versatility. You can change your bangs, you can change your color, and it's in 2 pieces.
Cool, that's awesome.
Now this is Amy's wheelhouse here.
I was gonna go on to nails, but why would I do that? Because the person who was obsessed with press-ons, and it ended up giving me a fungus.
Because you got water underneath that got trapped, and you have to let that heal before you do anything else to your nails.
And the first person I went to for information was you, because you know everything about nails. So please tell us what you do.
This is from a very small portion that is from my own nail kit. So there are different nail types that you can do. You can do gels, right, a traditional gel. You can do a poly gel. I do right now, like I have a builder gel. So this is a builder gel. It's one of like many different brands you can use. So it's heavier than regular gel, but not as heavy as a poly gel. So it's that middle of the road. That will help keep your nails really, really strong. So I do a coat of that, and then I put color over it with regular gel. The thing with that is, though, is that does not a soak off. That is a drill off. So you have to get really proficient with a drill. And so that takes a little bit of time, but so I have a drill over here. I have different drill bits that once you kind of get used to it, you can use different bits.
Do you damage your nails at all when you're drilling it?
They don't, but it takes practice.
Okay.
Because you have to know when to stop, so you don't go drilling through your naturally nails. And then I also have a downdraft dryer, so that sucks in all of my extra, like the nail stuff, so that it's not floating around my house.
Okay, great.
And what are these, nail forms?
These are nail forms, so that's for a poly gel. So this is the product you'd use on a poly gel. You squeeze this out, it's pretty thick. You put it into that form, you press it on your nails, and then you cure it. And that's how you get extensions or nail art that you want to do. So lots of different things. It all takes practice. There's a big learning curve on a lot of this stuff, but it's fun. And if you can start doing it right, you can save a lot of money.
A lot of money and so much time, because you do one hand at a time.
I do.
Right? So you can just...
Yeah. Fancy nails.
Unbelievable.
All right, and you don't even leave your own house.
Yeah.
All right. Great, ladies.
Thanks, Mickey.
Let's
All
go
right.
pick it.
It is a big learning curve, though. I gotta say that I have learned a lot over the years.
I know, you've got me thinking about it. I'm like, ooh, I don't know. You know, I'm like, is it gonna look crazy?
No, you get better at it. I mean, sure, it takes practice, but you get better at it. And now I'm like, I don't think I'd ever go to a salon again for my nails because because I take better care of them, right? Instead of getting them scraped up. So.